Good morning, students. My name is Gurpreet Singh and welcome back to English online classes. Today, we will learn about noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Yesterday, we have completed about clause, independent clause, and dependent clause. But today, I am going to describe about noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. So, firstly, what is clause? I already told you, clause is a basic unit of grammar. Clause is a group of words, and also you can consider a simple sentence as a clause. Clause has a subject and verb combination. Clause can express complete thought. Clause has a complete meaning by itself. मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब आपके पास सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब है सेंटेंस के अंदर, so that sentence is a clause. If you have subject and verb combination in a sentence, so that sentence is a clause. And also clause is a group of words, and as well as it has a it can express complete thought. Understand? So what is an independent clause? Independent clause can stand alone. It is not depending on others clauses. But dependent clause cannot stand alone. It is depending on others. इंडिपेंडेंट जो क्लोज है, इसके नेम से ही पता लग रहा है कि ये किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं होता, किसी भी क्लोज के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं होता. इट कैन स्टैंड अलोन. बट जो डिपेंडेंट क्लोज है वो किसी ना किसी क्लोज के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है और एक कंप्लीट सेंस का सेंटेंस बनाता है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो नाउ आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज नाउन क्लोज, व्हाट इज adjective clause, and what is adverb clause. So now, what is a noun clause? If a subordinate clause or dependent clause, you know, dependent clause cannot stand alone, and as well as dependent clause is depending on others, on other clauses. So here I talk about dependent clause. If a dependent clause plays the role of a noun, जब कोई भी dependent clause play करता है, मतलब plays the role, noun का role play करता है किसी भी sentence के अंदर, किसी भी clause के अंदर, so that clause is a noun clause. And we know noun can stand as a subject, and sometime noun can stand as a object in the sentence. We already know in a sentence noun can stand a subject, and sometimes noun can stand as a object, and also sometimes we see the noun as a subject and as a object in the sentence. So here, if the noun does an action, then the noun is termed as a subject. Listen to me carefully. If the noun does an action, then the noun is termed as a subject. जब noun कोई एक्शन करता है सेंटेंस के अंदर. सो हियर आई रोट वन एग्जाम्पल, रवि प्लेज फुटबॉल. सो हियर रवि इज अ नाउन हु डज एन एक्शन एंड द एक्शन इज प्लेइंग. अंडरस्टैंड? If the noun becomes the answer of the question what or whom or to whom in a sentence, then the noun is termed as the object of the sentence. So here in this sentence, if we ask the question what in the sentence, then we get noun football as the answer. Here I wrote one example more related to the noun clause. What my father advised helps me a lot. So what my father advised, this is a dependent clause. ये एक डिपेंडेंट क्लोज है और आपको पता है क्लोज वही होता है जिसमें नाउन और वर्ब का कॉम्बिनेशन हो. सो हियर माय फादर इज अ नाउन एंड एडवाइज्ड इज अ verb. So here we see the combination of noun and verb. What my father advised. So here I use noun in a dependent clause. So that clause is a noun clause. When we use noun in a clause or noun plays a role in a clause. अंडरस्टैंड. जब हम नाउन का यूज करते हैं क्लोज के अंदर, सो हियर माय फादर इज अ नाउन, सो दैट क्लोज इज अ नाउन क्लोज. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ सेकंड वन इज adjective clause. A dependent clause that plays the role of an adjective. We know adjectives क्या होते हैं? When we describe something or someone. For example, I wear red shirt. So red is an adjective. So here I am describing about my shirt. I wear red shirt. I have black pen. So here black is an adjective, or I am describing about my pen. My pen is a black. Understand? So when we see an adjective in a clause, so that clause is an adjective clause. If dependent clause describes, modifies or qualifies a noun. जब कोई भी डिपेंडेंट क्लोज डिस्क्राइब करेगा, मॉडिफाई करेगा या क्वालिफाई करेगा किसी भी नाउन को या और प्रोनाउन को, हमें पता है कि जो एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं, एडजेक्टिव्स आर वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब अबाउट नाउन और प्रोनाउन, नाउन और प्रोनाउन. सो हियर पेन इज अ नाउन. सो इफ आई से I have black pen. So here pen is a noun. And also in this sentence I am describing about my pen. My pen is a black. So adjectives are words that describe about noun or pronoun. But in a clause, in a dependent clause, if we describe, modifies or qualifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence, then the clause is an adjective clause. Here I wrote one example. Yesterday I saw my old friend who is working in a multinational company. So here this is a dependent clause, but in this sentence or clause, I describe about my old friend who is working in a multinational company. So that this clause is an adjective clause. Understand? So third one is adverb clause. You know, adverbs are words that describe about a verb. For example, I drive carefully. I drive carefully. I drive carefully. In this sentence, drive is a verb and carefully is a adverb. So here I am describing about drive, and drive is a verb. So adverbs are words that describe about verb. Understand? But in a dependent clause that plays the role of an adverb is known as an adverb clauses. If in adverb we modify and describe about verb, that I already told you, adverbs are words that describe about verb. So here I wrote one example, and the example is he looked back when I called him. He looked back. वो पीछे की तरफ मुड़ा था जब मैंने उसको कॉल किया. When I called him. तो when I called him in this sentence, this is a dependent clause. बट वो मुड़ा, बट जब मैंने उसको कॉल किया तो उसने मतलब पीछे मुड़कर देखा. So here I describe about verb, and the verb is looked. He looked back when I called him. Understand? So this video is related to noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. If you have any doubt, you can concern with me. Thank you so much.